The cheekbones. The zygomatic arches are cheekbones.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. I was just reading some key terms about human evolution. What about you? Now I know what you're thinking. What has StudyTime been up to all year? Well, we've just launched our printed hard copy walkthrough guides. So why get the print version? Well, first of all, they look pretty, and that's aesthetic. Secondly, an article published in Scientific American found that if you read in print, you learn better. And if it's got scientific and American in it, it must be true. Thirdly, you don't need internet and you can take them anywhere. If the school Wi-Fi cuts out or your mum doesn't renew your data plan, you can still study on the go. And you can study anywhere, like really anywhere.
Places you can study with StudyTime's walkthrough guides. The airport. The McDonald's drive-thru. The coffee queue. With the pigeons in the park. At Parliament. Or at church.
And all the revenue from the guides will go directly back into helping us make more free resources and give support to all of you. So for the price of 2 Frappuccinos, you can ace NCEA at the link below. Cool. How do you